Good morning, children. Today we are going to see Standard 4 Moral Science Lesson number 3, The Drawing Talks. The Drawing Talks. Okay. See, third lesson, The Drawing Talks. See the values: perseverance, devotion, sincerity. Let's see the story. Pharaoh liked learning new things. If there was one thing that he did not enjoy, it was drawing. The story is about the boy named Pharaoh. He liked everything except drawing because he was not good in drawing. Okay. He believed that using crayons and color pencil was not easy. He would always leave the drawing halfway and give up in disgust. One day, Pharaoh found a beautiful red pencil. He tried drawing a circle with it. He was not happy with what he had drawn. He was about to throw away the pencil when he heard a voice saying, "Psst! You aren't going to leave me like this, are you?" Pharaoh looked around, wondering where the voice came from. But he couldn't draw the picture well, so he was sad. When he was about through the pencil, he heard sudden sound. Was it drawing? That voice is drawing voice. Okay. Next, it's me you are drawing. Come on, at least you can draw me a pair of eyes, said the drawing. The drawing said that you can't leave me like this. You have to complete me. Pharaoh couldn't believe the voice. Okay, next. Pharaoh could not believe his ears. He, however, managed to draw two little dots inside the circle. Much better. Now I can see myself, said the circle. Drawing said, I'm sure if you try again, it will do better. Okay, rub me, said drawing. Okay. So Pharaoh erased the circle and drew another one, but it was not very round. Quite nice, but you forgot the eyes again. I think I am going to have to teach you how to draw until you can draw me well, said the circle in the squeaky voice. Pharaoh erase the circle and do another circle, but that is also nice, but you forgot the eyes again. I think I am going to have to teach you how to draw until you can draw me well, said the circle in the squeaky voice. Okay, see, do erase the circle and do another circle, but that is also much better drawing. Okay, circle said, okay, this is one also better, but you forgot the eyes again. Pharaoh found himself drawing and erasing circle. The circle would not stop saying, rub this out but carefully. It hurts, or draw me some hair quickly. I look like a lollipop. Pharaoh did not seem to mind his teacher's remarks. He rather enjoyed learning this way. After spending nearly the whole afternoon together, Pharaoh would draw much better than before. Before going to bed that night, Pharaoh thanked his teacher for having taught him to draw so well. Pharaoh keep on drawing and erase the circle. The circle said again to draw again and again. Pharaoh spent the whole afternoon with drawing in the picture, and he was able to draw it much better than before. Then Pharaoh stand the teacher and went to but I didn't do anything, answered the circle. It is in the unusual Swiggy manner. Don't you see that you will be practicing a lot and enjoying it all the while? I'm sure that is the first time you have done that. Pharaoh realized that earlier he never practiced for more than 5 minutes at a time. Moreover, he never enjoyed practicing. You are right, teacher. I will try to enjoy whatever I do, said Pharaoh. Before Pharaoh went to bed, he carefully kept the pencil in his school bag. The next morning, Pharaoh jumped out of bed and went running to find his pencil, but it was not there. He searched everywhere, but there was no sign of it. The sheet of paper on which he had drawn the little figure that only eraser marks. Pharaoh did not know if he had really spent the previous afternoon talking to the circle or whether he had dreamed the whole thing. He took another pencil and a sheet of paper and tried to draw a little man. It turned out very well. He imagined his little teacher telling him to round off the edges and add some hair. Pharaoh realized that it made no difference whether you had the magic pencil or not. To be able to do things, you only need to keep trying and to enjoy doing so. The next morning, Pharaoh was searching for the pencil but it not there. The sheet of it drew was there and also the eraser was there on them. The sheet which he drew was there and also eraser was there on them top of the sheet, but he couldn't find the pencil. Pharaoh couldn't believe that he was bending the previous afternoon drawing the circle and he had it out that whether it was a dream or a reality. He took another pencil and also a sheet of paper and he tried drawing a little man. Fortunately, he came out well. Okay. He imagined the teacher instructions telling him to round off the edges and add some hair. So Pharaoh realized that it was not because of the magic pencil or ordinary pencil. He took the one. You have to keep trying, enjoy video. Okay, understood, children? This moral of the story is practice make a man perfect, and also enjoy all the little things you will do on your life. Okay, that's all today. Read and practice well. Okay, thank you, children.